Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain on Hostinger. First of all, go to hostinger.com. Now go to domains. Now type in your desired domain name, like in my case, it's azibkhalil.com, and hit the search button. Now click on make it yours. Now select your desired number of years, and after that click on continue button. Now, if you have already an email account on Hostinger, just simply sign in here. Otherwise, you can create a new account using the register option here. Now, if you already have a Hostinger account, you can simply click on domain and then go to get a new domain and repeat the process, like simply just type in your desired domain name and click search, and then just click on buy now. You can just select the number of years you want to and just simply click on complete payment to process the payment. After adding the card details, that's it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thumbs up to the video.